Garlic is one of the essential ingredients used in almost every style of cooking. And while there is no substitute for using fresh garlic, sometimes it's a real pain in the neck to pull the cloves from the bulb, to peel it, to chop it, and to mince it. Garlic is very sticky. The skin of the garlic sticks to your hands when you peel it, and the garlic itself sticks to your knife when you try to cut it. So today we're going to show you how to make garlic puree. Fresh garlic when you need it without all the fuss. Here are the items that you will need. A small food processor, fresh peeled garlic cloves, extra virgin olive oil, a sealable ice tray, and a teaspoon. Our first step is to pour the fresh garlic cloves into the food processor. Place the lid on the food processor and begin to chop the garlic for a few seconds. Remove the lid and use the teaspoon to make sure that all of the garlic is accessible to the blades. Pour some olive oil into the food processor so that it coats the garlic. We need enough olive oil so that the garlic will fall into the blades, but not too much because we don't want it to be soupy. Place the lid on again and give it another chop. The garlic is still a bit too dry, so let's add just a little bit more olive oil and give it another chop. This is the consistency that we want the garlic puree to be. Not too soupy and not too dry. Our next step is to put the garlic puree into the sealable ice tray. Using the teaspoon, scoop out equal amounts of the garlic puree and put them into the tray one at a time. When the ice tray is filled with the garlic puree, snap the lid shut and place the ice tray in the freezer overnight. Once the garlic puree is frozen, remove the pieces from the ice tray and put them onto a plate. Put the pieces into a sealable container. You can also use a sealable plastic bag if you want to, like a sandwich bag. And you're all done. You now have garlic ready to use whenever you need it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. We release a new video each week, so please subscribe to our channel and ring that bell so that you'll be notified when a new video comes out.